So you just landed an amazing job and you're wondering what you can do to make a good impression on your first day at work. In this video, you'll learn 6 tips to help you be more successful and better navigate your new work environment. If we've never met before, I'm Heather Austin from ProfessorAustin.com and the Career Club on Facebook. And on this channel, I teach working professionals just like you how to build your personal brand so that you can land your dream job and grow in a field you love. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification down below so you don't miss a thing. There's a certain excitement when anyone starts a new job, both for the new employee and for the team members the new employee will be working with. So it's no surprise that you might be feeling a little anxious and nervous to start your first day at work. If you follow these 6 tips that I'm about to share with you, you'll make a good impression on your colleagues and most importantly, your new boss. Tip number 1, show that you are ready for action. Make it a priority to complete tasks. This will demonstrate that you are a diligent and professional worker. Because you'll be doing a lot of training during your first few days or first few weeks on the job, you're probably not going to be expected to complete any major tasks or move mountains, but just be on target and complete the things that you are requested to do. Tip number 2, get to know the office culture quickly. Most likely you'll go through an onboarding process when you first start. This is the perfect time to learn more about the company culture and the dynamics and how the company follows certain procedures. You'll also get the tools and information you need to be a productive member of your team. To make sure you integrate well into your new work environment, observe those around you during the onboarding process. Take mental note of how they do certain things. How do they communicate with each other? Tip number 3, show your eagerness to learn. To really make a good impression during your first day at work, show that you are genuinely interested in doing well. An easy way to do this is to ask questions and take notes. Don't be afraid to carry around a notepad and ask for clarification if you need it. This will help you better understand the position and what's expected of you. Tip number 4, be friendly. Make your best effort to learn more about those you will be working closely with. Ask them where they're from, what do they like to do for fun, how did they get to where they are in the company now? Why did they choose to work for the company? Remember that people love to talk about themselves, so this is the perfect way to start building new relationships and show your colleagues that you will be a pleasant person to spend most of the day with on the job. Tip number 5, play by the rules. The last thing you want to do is go into your new job expecting everyone to change the way they do things because you have a bigger vision. I get it, you have ideas and strategies that could make everything run more effectively. Maybe you have ideas on how to increase productivity or decrease costs. However, it's very important that if you want to make a good first impression, you need to establish your authority and build your reputation first. You don't want to be overbearing with your thoughts right up front. You're the new kid on the block, so you need to tread lightly. Unless you're in upper management and you've been hired specifically to change things up, fall into line and play by the rules until the time is right. Tip number 6, be yourself. You were hired into this position for a reason. They liked you and your personality to bring you on board. They also liked how you could help them solve potential problems. So now is the time to let your character shine. Now, to help you communicate effectively in your new role, make sure you take a look at the video I made right here where you'll learn how to write a professional email. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I will see you in the next video.